Building B8, 3 Firs Ground Way, Stockley Park, Uxbridge, Middlesex. In October 1988, Ian Ritchie Architects were commissioned by Stuart Lipton of Stanhope to design, detail and supervise the construction to completion of an 8,500 square metre research offices building at Stockley Park, Britain's first business park, within 1 year and to a fixed budget. It was delivered within time and cost. Budgetary constraints demanded exemplary clarity of construction and material invention to match the commission. The project created the opportunity to work with Pilkington to develop a double-glazed planar external skin for the entire building. It uses clear, toughened glass with low emissivity coating and a low-level ceramic frit. A frit being a ceramic composition that has been fused, quenched and granulated. Pilkington gave a guaranteed maximum price of £298 per square metre for the new façade on the basis that Ian Ritchie Studio would collaborate in the development of the double-glazed wall. In 12 weeks, the system was designed and tested, and Pilkington agreed, unusually, to take the trade contract. The concept of the building, arranged on 3 floors, caters for single or multi-tenancy occupation, and it was the first building of this size at Stockley Park to allow for this. The planar glass walls are only 42mm thick, thus helping to achieve a net/gross area efficiency of 91%. It is architecturally enlivened by large, curved, perforated stainless steel solar shades on south, east and west facades. The building won several awards, including the Financial Times Award Commendation in the UK and the Iritechna Prize for Europe, both of these in 1991. It also achieved the highest rents at Stockley Park, which is now most famous for being home to the VAR Centre for the English Premier League football. Elements of its design, particularly the glass wall, solar shades and bin frit to conceal under-desk rubbish, and the solar shading, were copied over the following years by many architects. The strong landscape qualities of the park as a whole are brought right up to the main entrance of the building. The finished building provided a sleek, beautiful, discreet and effectively organised facility of exceptional net to gross area efficiency and was 90% British made. The architect Ian Ritchie was elected a Royal Academician in December 1998. As his diploma work, he chose to submit an ongoing selection of works representing his many projects, mainly built schemes, undertaken since the beginning of his independent practice. His diploma submission included an original print, drawn and etched by the architect himself, in which the essential idea of the original design is condensed into calligraphic visual form. The submission also included a poem composed by the architect in a free-form style, recording the concepts that governed the design in its early stages. This has been transcribed by Ritchie in his own hand onto a sheet of mould-made Somerset paper, similar to that used for the prints. B8 Stockley Park. Pinstriped businessman, capture the spirit of our time. Money, money, money. To hurry, hurry, hurry. To plain, plain, plain. To where, how, when. Rush, rush mails, leaving vapour trails in an English country garden. That is more a sea of sierras, We'll find an elegant solution by maximising the areas, and while the rules may be written, innovation is not forbidden. And by the way, keep inside the budgets and give us the key on time. Ian Ritchie, 1988.